Did you put it up? You want me to put it down? You cold?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Wait.
With this, it's
What-
my hand.
What'd you say? Do you say thank you, Uncle Yuck?
Thank you. This is my cool way. I put that away.
Is this already the next house there? What we see there?
That's Jason's house.
That's Jason's house.
So he went there and I went here. This is my own window. You want to change something else?
No, not right now. Thank you.
But why not?
Why not? No, I'm not. Well, I don't know. What do you have?
I have lots of stuff in my. Do you want to go to right there? Let's go.
Let's go? Okay, let's go.
And you need a drink. That's why you need a drink because you need water.
You're going to get him some water?
And
Well,
then
that's
you
very
need
nice.
tea, okay?
Oh, you're going over to your kitchen. You can watch the video.
It's a little.
That's water? Yeah? That's good water. Eh? And this?
What?
Oh, actually, yeah. Did you take the other cupcakes out? Yeah?
That's a nice
Take
looking
a look,
cupcake.
because I think there's still some in there.
Oh, you
They
got
may have
some more in
gotten
the
burnt,
oven, huh?
No,
They're in
still
the
okay.
oven.
Yeah. These are good.
Here's one more.
Okay. Oh.
This is the I put in this.
This is good. You want to put this one in here? Yeah.
So
Okay.
this particle here. This is too big.
Yeah, that doesn't fit in there. I tried that already.
Oh. Can you try it?
But maybe the cup.